So yesterday we discussed about cotton, how from where we are getting the cotton, how to prepare cotton fabric we discussed. Today we are talking about jute. Okay. First, a small story was there about this jute. How this jute was discovered and for what purpose we are using, we shall see. One time, a person who is grazing the cattle. A person is grazing the cattle. At that particular time, it is raining. He know that it is raining also. He took cattle for grazing. At that particular time, what happened means suddenly the floods occurred. So no way for that person to escape from that place. So he climbed a tree and he saved himself. The cattle went on with the flow of the water. He lost his cattle. Then only he was left. Nearly 2 days this flood water was there. Heavy rains, flood. The person was on the tree itself. Lucky he was safe on the tree. So after 2 days, when the rain was reduced, what he did means he got down from the tree and he went by walk in that flood water itself. To whom? His wife is eagerly waiting for him. 2 days means anyone will fear, no? Whether he is there or not. Because of floods, did he went somewhere? So he went home. When he went home, his wife was very happy and she asked about the cattle. He told her he lost the cattle. And next, what happened means, to his, whenever we are walking in the water, what will happen? Some mud particles, some leaves, some twigs will stick to our legs, no? In the same way, for his legs also, lot of stems were stick to his legs. So at that moment, what he did means, after coming home, he removed all the stems which are stick to his legs. He removed and he threw like that, and then he went inside. After the next days, lot of sunlight, the day-to-day activities are going on. Suddenly one day what happened means, after 1 week, his wife thought to take that stem parts and throw outside. Because when it is wet and rotten, we will not be ready to touch that one, no? So when the sunlight was there, when they dried, she thought to take that and throw. When she hold that one, they are very strong, thread-like structures they became. She got doubt, are they stems or are they something? When she dragged them, it is very hard it seems. Okay, and when they dried up, they changed into golden color. They changed into golden color, and when she thought to break them into pieces and she want to throw them out, they did not break into pieces. How much she dragged also, the fiber is coming out from that stems it seems. So she understood that that is one sort of fiber. What is that fiber? That is only called as jute fiber. Did you understand how the jute was discovered? By just a cattle rearer. When he was stuck in the floods, he found that particular, what are those? The rotten stems stick to his head. So again they went and they found, they started, they started doing business on these stems. So from where we are getting jute means, jute is getting from jute plant. Which part of the jute plant we are using to make this one means, we are using the stem part. The other name for jute fiber is golden fiber. The other name for jute fiber is golden fiber. Why we are calling it as golden fiber means because it is brown in color. Because of that we are calling it as a golden fiber. How the fiber will be means, the jute fiber will be coarse and shiny. You observe caterpillar, no? how the caterpillar strings will be standing like this. If you see the jute fiber also, it also looks like that, very coarse, shiny, you can find that. Okay, did you understand here? Now how to get the fiber from this jute plant? What they will do means, they will rear the jute plants, they will cut all the stem parts of that. What they will do, they will collect all the stem parts of jute fiber. Then after collecting all these stem parts, they will see, wherever we will rear the cattle, we will have the tanks, water tanks will be present for cattle to drink the water. In such type of tanks, what they will do is, they will throw these stem parts. A bunch of stem parts they will throw in this water. For how many days they will throw these stem parts in the water? They will leave till the stem parts should become rotten. You see, any stem part when we are keeping in the water, if you leave that one, they will kullipoyi, not that much, but they must be like sponge type, they must become. Still that time they will put it in the water. After that, what they will do to the stem part, they will take out from the water and they will peel off. They will try to peel off these stem parts and they will dry them under the sunlight for 2 weeks. How many weeks they will dry them? For 2 weeks they will dry the rotten stem parts under the sunlight. When they dry the rotten peels under the sunlight, what will happen means, the water will be absorbed by the sunlight and they will change into dark, that is brown in golden color, they will change. Now they will collect these and drag the threads from this, okay, and they will make it into rope, round the long threads they will make, and they will start using this jute fiber. For what purpose we are using these jute fibers? Jute fibers are used to make gunny bags. We can use for gunny bags. The next, before means just we used this jute only for the purpose of making gunny bags, because they are very strong fibers. They can carry lot of weight. So rices, pulses, mirchi, grains, everything 50 kgs or 100 kgs will be brought in these gunny bags. Now as we are telling, for the environment it is good. Now we are getting our day-to-day bags, okay, handbags or some other, by using jute fiber we are making. Even nowadays we can see with what are the sarees also are coming. Jute sarees they are telling. Means there the fiber will be molded, means little soft, but that much when you are taking jute bags, not only gunny bags, nowadays we are getting handbags, purses, school bags, laptop bags, also with the jute that are a little bit soft, and but you can see that always the jute will be coarse in nature. We can use that, means we can wash it and use it again. Previously they used only for making the bags, and now we are using, nowadays we are using for many purposes the jute bags. Then we talked about cotton, we talked about jute. Only these are the plants we are using? No, we are using hemp, flax, bamboo, okay, then gongura. These all plants are also, these plants also, hemp, flax, bamboo, gongura, these plants also we are using for making the fiber. But you have to see that the cotton and the jute are the strongest fibers, which they are strong, but these fibers are the weak fibers. These fibers are weak fibers. Cotton and jute are strong fibers, and hemp, flax, bamboo, gongura are weak fibers. So what we will do here means, we will blend them. We will blend. What is this blending means? Mixing of two fibers is called as blending. Mixing of So mixing of two fibers is called as a blending. So what we will do here means in cotton we will mix hemp, in cotton we will mix bamboo, in cotton we will mix gongura. Gongura means for a gongura plant red color fruits will be present to that one. That fruits we will make it into fibers. For this, red color fruits will be present. That fruits we will make it into fibers, and these are mixed with the cotton, and we will use that one. That's why I told original cotton we will not get. We will have a mixed, blended cotton. If you are going with pure 100% of cotton, if you are going, that will be very expensive. 100% of cotton, if you are going, it is very expensive. So always we will go with a blended items. Next we have to talk about so not only this, the people will use polythene. As I said for you now, previously the jute is only used for the purpose of gunny bags, but because of the global warming and environmental pollution, we are using jute. When we started usage of jute means, the people started using this synthetic fiber polythene bags more. If you are using, wherever we go for vegetables, he will give the vegetables in polythene cover. You go for fruits and vegetables, that also you will get in polythene covers. Then you go to this curry point, your dal, the hot dal, then curries, everything in that. If you go for a tea, he will give in a plastic cup. So everything nowadays, the world full is covered with the plastic. Is it good to environment or threat to environment means the plastic is the threat to environment. These polythene bags will not decompose in the soil. You have to understand that one. The polythene bags will not decompose in the soil. When they are not decomposing in the soil, what will happen? See, when it rains, we can see that we are having on the road the manholes are present. Always in the TV we will see the manholes are not covered properly. That's why a child fell in the manhole and she or he was dead, we will hear. It is very difficult to listen. So when these manholes, what they will do when it is raining, they will open a little bit of manhole and keep. Why? Because the water should enter into that and to keep the roads clear. At that moment, what we will do? We will eat something and throw the plastic cover outside. Any waste food materials are there in our roads, we will keep in this plastic cover and throw outside. So like this, each and everything we are throwing outside. So these plastic covers are also going with the water into the manhole. And what will happen? Near the manhole, these all plastic covers comes together, and what will happen? They will block the, what is that way? They will block the way. And again, what will happen when they block the way? Will the water enter into the manhole? No, it is returning back. You see, on the road up to half feet of our leg, always a level of water will be present. What is that water? Are you thinking, is it only the rainwater? No, it is mixed with the drainage water. In rainy season, now we will try to move out for schools, school time, or when we are somewhere we are going. We can see half of the road will be filled with water. We will think that it is rainwater and we will walk in that one and we will not wash our legs, we will not remove that dress and we will be like that from morning. What will happen? We will be affected with skin diseases. Why? Because it is not only the rainwater, it is the drainage water. Why the drainage water was up? Why? Because these polythene bags are blocking the drainage system. These polythene bags are blocking the drainage system. Because of that, what is happening? The water is reverse coming back again. Because of that, the roads are filled with the floods here. Here, do we have any rivers? Do we have any oceans? Nothing are there, no seas, nothing is here. But still we can see that the roads will block and we will hear someone fell in the manhole or because of flood someone dead. This also what we have to do means let us please and mostly now we are telling of blockage of drainage system only. We are taking a cup of tea in plastic glass. We are taking the cutlet in a plastic bowl. We are getting the hot curries from the curry point in the plastic covers. What is happening? These plastic polythene bags or polythene covers are made with the petrochemicals. Because they are made with petrochemicals, what will happen? When these hot substances react with this plastic, then these petrol, that means acids which are present in this will dissolve in the food, and that such a type of food if you are taking, you will suffer with cancer, thyroid, then some other health problems. We are nowadays the people within small age they are getting heart attacks, thyroid, sugar, BP. These all are because of these usage of plastic and polythene covers. So let us stop the usage of polythene covers and plastic and go with the cotton or jute. We are having cotton bags also, no? We are having jute bags also, no? So let us go with the cotton and the jute, which are natural and which will decompose in the soil. And tomorrow I will continue.